Buenos dias! Welcome back to the channel. We woke up today in this beautiful city of Monterrey.
Yes.
We are here on Paseo Santa Lucia, and our Airbnb is like right over that direction.
Yeah, that direction. So this is gonna be our first full day in Monterrey. We just had breakfast, had some amazing street tacos. We've got the backpacks loaded up with extra batteries and the drone, and we're just gonna take off walking and see what the city has got to offer. We're kind of in the central zone area, and there's a lot of museums and churches and cathedrals that we're gonna go find. So stick with us, guys. Hopefully we're gonna have a cool video for you.
This area is so beautiful, and we literally walked out of our apartment, walked through a little gate and down to the Paseo. How cool is that? There's so many people out enjoying this beautiful day. The weather is so nice, and there's all these little vendors set up. You can see over there, and there's more on the other side over there where those little tents are. You can see that. Such a cool little place. So we just had a little accidente with the drone. And it was a close call because it was flying over the little waterway there. But luckily, Greg saved it and it crashed into the ground instead of the water. So we're about to try to get this thing up again because, as you see, there's this beautiful museum here in front of us. So we're gonna try to get some shots of that. Stay tuned. We're here at the Museo de Palacio. Hopefully I'm pronouncing that right. And the entrance is free according to the sign, so we're about to go in and check it out.
Yeah, we're right in the middle of this kind of city square central zone, and there's just so many buildings and museums and churches that, and which is the first one we came to, and it's just gorgeous place with all these statues, and we got the drone up, and hopefully we got some good footage of that. So we're gonna go check out this museum. Come with us.
All right, so that's the outside of the building. Buenas tardes.
¿Viene museo? Sí. Yeah. Habla español. No, English.
Un poquito.
Where did you come from? Texas. It's cool in here, isn't it?
It is nice and cool in here. Wow, this place is very cool.
Where's everybody at?
I'm sure this is all telling a very beautiful story that we can't read because it's in Spanish.
Yeah, there's nothing in English, so if you plan on visiting here, just keep that in mind. But they have great pictures of everything, which is good for me. I'm not too good at reading, so cartoons and pictures help me out a lot.
Oh, God. Whoa.
Now we're getting some history here, baby. Thanks.
All right, we just came out the other side of the museum. It's kind of dark in there. We didn't get a whole lot of footage, but
Really cool.
it was really cool. And now there's this cathedral, and we're gonna hop on in there, see what's happening.
Check it out.
Let's go check it out. It's a beautiful little park out here, right out in front of it.
Oh, that looks nice.
This does look nice. Look at these are cool. Yeah.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. So we are on our second day in Monterrey, and there's many things to do, and we picked the one thing that we wanted to do, which was come to the Grutas de Garcia, which is a cave system here in the Sierra Madre Mountains. And we drove an hour from our Airbnb, and they're freaking closed, man. And it has this really, see if you show the camera, baby. It's got it takes a trolley system up to the mountain to where the cave entrance is. And we were so excited to do this, and they're closed. But we have a backup plan. There's coming in this way, we saw a zoo, some type of zoo or something. So we're gonna go check that out, and hopefully it'll be good. So stick with us, guys.
Yeah, you can see that gate's closed, and that gate's closed. Souvenir shop closed. But it's beautiful out here.
Yeah.
I'm sure it would have been a fun day, but let's go check out that zoo and see.
It's a little chilly up here in the mountains.
Yeah. Can you tell we're in long sleeves?
Yeah. All right, so off to the zoo, guys.
All right, guys, so we just got here at the zoo, so we're about to go check this place out.
Yeah. Get you up on a camel, honey? I'll do it.
Looks like they got corn for snacks we can purchase for 30 pesos. And adults are 110 pesos.
Ride a camel. Does it feed the camel or ride the camel? I don't know.
Ride the camel.
Ride the
camel. And you can ride a pony.
110 pesos.
All right, guys, we just entered the park. First animal, rooster. Somebody's riding the camel over there.
There's a whitetail, baby. And a peacock.
Oh, peacock. I love a peacock.
There you go, baby.
Yeah.
Just like home, honey.
Yep. Hi, Mama.
Hey.
She's hungry.
I doubt that.
Got some guinea pigs and some chickens. Oh, there's a turtle in there too. Oh, hi.
Yeah. Oh, it is a bird, you know.
Some big old bunnies.
That's some big old, yeah, that's some big ass rabbit. There's two peacocks right here.
Hey, Mr. Peacock.
What is that? This fucker stinks, doesn't he? Oh, there's another one in there. Those things are cool.
Look at his little belly.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, little fat belly.
They got odor to them, don't they? Buddy.
Horses. Hi, little.
You're probably so sick of carrots, aren't you, buddy? Well, you got a whole tub of them. I ain't giving you shit.
Hi, Mr. Camel.
No?
Is this the first time I've ever seen a live camel? I think it is.
Come on. Their mouths are funny. Over, slow down. I around the carrots.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
Didn't realize I was gonna get another kid. You got any pesos on you, honey?
Yeah.
Like coins?
Yeah. Hold up.
They sure, you sure got pretty eyes. Check out little pieces. This one here, man.
Little things.
Those are capybara. I can't think of the name of it. These big rat from the Amazon that the frickin' anacondas eat.
Hello. Hello. Oh my goodness. Hello. Hello. Oh, you're so gentle. You're a gentle giant.
What a cool animal. You don't want to be in here, do you? You just want to be left alone, don't you? Pretty neat structure, yeah.
All right, guys, so that is a wrap for the zoo. There is an option. You can either walk around and feed the animals, or there's an option to go through with your car. We chose to not do the car option and just walk around. And there's quite a lot of different animals, and there's a lot of them in each little pen area. They don't have a whole lot of room, so that makes me a little sad, but at least they're getting fed very well.
Yeah. Overall, we had a good experience. It was a lot of fun. Well, we spent 110 pesos per person.
Yep.
And then you can buy like these little tubs of carrots to feed the all the animals, and they're really hungry. They like the carrots. So
yeah.
Overall, it was good. You know, I have mixed emotions on zoos and all that type of thing. And but
me too.
You know, it is what it is, and we still enjoyed ourselves.
So we're about to head back into the city, and we'll see what's up for the rest of the day.
Okay, friends, so that's going to wrap up our stay here in Monterrey. You know, the city is huge, and there's so many things to see and do, and places to visit, and so much to explore, and, you know, so many great restaurants. That, you know, we were only here for 2.5, 3 days, so we didn't really get an opportunity to see everything, not even close. But what we did, we absolutely loved it. It's beautiful here. As always, Mexican people are always so friendly and wonderful to be around.
So we're going to go ahead and wrap up this evening with this little Thai restaurant that we found.
Yeah.
So if you like our content, give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And leave us a comment and ask any questions, or let us know what you thought.
Yeah, and so till next time, much love from Don and Greg.
We are currently here on Paseo, what is it? Paseo
You're asking me, really?
Santa. I gotta look it up. Hold on.
Lucia.
Paseo Santa Lucia. Okay.
Ah, that would have been perfect too.
Alright guys, so we are here at